I am at 21 Gracie Ln Levant. This is a very quiet rural area. Gracie Lane is right off Pine Tree Road. It's very close to the Lake Road, which comes off Union Street near the five-way intersection. It's kind of hard to find. It may not show up on maps, but it is close to the Lake Road where it comes onto the Pine Tree Road. And it has a driveway that comes in. There's only one other property on Gracie Lane. And it has a circular driveway that comes in. And this is pretty new. The owner just built it. It's a small 2-bedroom, 1-bath house. It does come with a heated garage, which is really nice. It has a good-sized lot. Lots of open space, nice fields. So again, it does come with this nice garage. The garage is oversized, so it makes it really, really nice if you have things that you want to store. It has a little closet over here which has the heating system in it. The really nice thing about this home too is that the owner does pay for heat and hot water. Also does the snow plowing and lawn care, which is very unusual for the single-family home rentals. Usually the tenant does have to pay for all utilities as well as do their own snow removal and lawn care. So that's something that's pretty nice when you have the owner paying for heat and hot water and also doing the plowing and the lawn care. This is pretty open concept. This is the kitchen. You have a living room, dining room area over here. You have a light with a ceiling fan. Really, really nice kitchen, high-end stainless appliances. Does come with a microwave and a dishwasher, all stainless appliances. This does also come with radiant heat, which means the heat is in the flooring, so there's no baseboard around the edges, and that means that the floor is nice and warm, which is very nice in the wintertime. Also means that you turn the heat up and wait at the temperature you like it, and then you just set it and forget it. This door goes out to the front. And then right over here is the coat closet. Okay, pretty good size open area. Does have a good size bathroom. There's a washer dryer hookup in the bathroom. Got some cupboards above the dryer hookup. It is a full bath. And then you've got 2 pretty good sized bedrooms. Again, light and ceiling fan. So your closet. Second bedroom in here. This one is a little bit smaller than the other one. It has a regular size closet over here. Not quite as large, although a little bit larger than a standard size. And this one has a light and ceiling fan as well. This is all composite vinyl plank flooring, high-end luxury flooring, which is very durable, easy clean. So again, a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home, single-family home with a heated garage. All utilities included except electric. Owner does snow plowing, lawn care, pays for heat and hot water. 21 Gracie Lane in Levant, off Pine Tree Road. If you're interested, give us a call, 207-974-6606, or you can visit our website at rentbangor.com.